Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zien, I'm your host P-Fire, aka plausibly perfect, punctual perfection. Guys, it's terrible. I just came back, so please do allow me. Anyway, guys, this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I'm gonna go back into the camera, come back in, and we're gonna do it like we're doing it for TV. You already know the drill. Let's get into it. What's happening, my beautiful people? We're back in shot. We're back like we're doing it for TV. And let me give you a little bit of the old close-up RJ, so you can see. Let me step back to the 12 RJ, the 12 to the RJ to the 12. Guys, you already see this shimmeriness that is invading your screens. Can you see it? Are you mesmerized? Shit, let's get into it, my beautiful people. So today, guys, we have this Stone Island nylon metal in Econyl, regenerated nylon with Primaloft-Tc. Please, I need to lie down after all of that. Just so you can capture what I said, because I've forgotten already. There we go. That's what we have. Stone Island nylon metal in Econyl, regenerated nylon with Primaloft-Tc. And I think that's Econyl, as in eco nylon. Anyway, guys, shall we get into it? Let's get into it. So this is a beautiful jacket that I picked up maybe a couple months ago from the outlet, and I've been really wearing it ever since. You know, sometimes I buy jackets, put them to the side and don't even touch them for a year or two. Sometimes I buy a jacket and I rinse it. This is one that I've been rinsing because it was a perfect balance of sort of springy but need a bit of extra warmth, hence the Primaloft. You know, now it's a little bit too much with this weather, but it's all good. So you have it in this fetching, what would we call this, guys? It's not a jade green, it's kind of like it's a metallic forest, maybe, metallic forest green. Let's see. Anyway, guys, there's my waist, there's the jacket, the perfect length of a jacket, just right down to there. Really super dope. If I zip up, double zip, as you can see right there, so that double zip allows you to open up like that. Double zip, always a useful feature. And of course you have these, again, these zippers don't say YKK, so I don't know. Oh, that's actually a Lampo zipper, no way. I think it's an actual Lampo zipper. How interesting. They're using Lampo zippers on the new stuff. Interesting. I'll take it off and have a look. Anyway, zips all the way up, as you can see, to the base of the neck, not to the roof of the neck, which is perfect. You've got these two normal colors right there, nothing too special, just special in their normalness. Really dope. And of course you see that fetching metallic nylon just shimmering across. Okay, left hand side, right hand side, you have a pocket here and a pocket here, and both these pockets are zipped up and they have that nice zip pull, as you can see right there. Super nice, and they both have that. So in here, hands in your skyrocket, walking down the street, very perfect layout, perfect positioning. Voila, super. What can you put in here? I would put maybe my rucksack in there, and in the other one maybe a similar rucksack. You know, my sports gear, I could put them in, but you really wouldn't want to put anything there. Just put your hands in. There you go. Walk down the street, hands in your skyrocket. Perfection. Really nice. Of course, you might have seen one of my jackets. Stone Island like to do this feature a lot. So the Liam Gallagher one where I went to Amsterdam, that jacket has this exact feature there, where it's where that color is the same as that, and it's just a variation of that. Nice little side pocket. You wouldn't put anything in there. Again, maybe you'd put your dog and bone. It would just about fit. You know, if you've got one of those big ones that looks like a computer, don't bother. But here I tend to put nothing at all. Maybe some cash because it's flat, and yeah, you're good to go. So got a nice little buttoned side pocket right there. You know, good to go to good. Of course, you've got your Stoney badge, special in all its non-specialness, just a normal normal badge. Gotta love a little badge. Get the badge in, get the badge in. Really nice. Give you the 12 RJ so you can see the back. Not really much to show you on this, guys. It's really about the shimmer. It's really about that you know, sort of nice feel. You got that nylon metal feel, super nice. You see the shimmer on there, really, really nice. Of course, as I mentioned before, this is a Primaloft jacket, so although it's thin, you got that Primaloft which will capture the heat and really keep you warm up to a certain point. You know, on a day like today, if it goes a little bit nippy, this will be perfect because it will keep in the little heat that is there. But if you're on a winter's day, this might not be the one. However, it will be good. Oops, sorry, stuff blowing away. However, it will be good for an underpiece. But yeah, really nice. Of course, you got your spare badge holder right there, my beautiful people. Put your spare badge in case you're type to definitely lose a badge. I don't know why you'd lose a badge. Are you fighting? Is that why you've lost one? Anyway, boom. You got all your literature right there. Of course, you see your Primaloft demarcation right there. Literature. Once again, that as you've already seen. And this is double dye formula, recycled components, and anti-drop. So that's all of those right there, as you can see. Yeah. Let me just make sure I'm not missing anything, guys. No, nothing at all. Like I said, I've been rinsing this piece since I got it. It's a piece I really love. I've been wearing it non-stop. I'm probably going to wash it and put it away soon, but yeah, it's just one of them pieces that I rock it. It don't matter what colors I'm wearing, I'll just fling it on. Super nice, super dope, and yeah, really, really fly. Guys, this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your host P5, aka P is for Primaloft, and this has been Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. Zien, you guys have been dope. As always, guys, I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. Stay dope, stay fly, and yeah, don't let the bed bugs bite. Peace.